to this earth to take. Or to give. May we share with you MRC Earth Day projects. Throughout our Earth Day missions, we serve, we plant, we recycle, we protect, we clean, we educate, and this year, we educate you to restore our Earth. On 22nd of April 2021, World Earth Day, drawn by all MRC students, we have created a total of 10,972 Earth Day posters, reminding you to take care of Mother Nature. Awarded by Malaysia Book of Records, the most number of environmental awareness posters drawn by children.